folks, today we are going to build our mud kitchen. Stick around! Today we are going to make a mud kitchen. This tree is going to be here, but then the mud kitchen is going to be behind it.
So measure from that stone concrete pillar, okay, and you go all the way up to where that join is. So keep going. And stop at the join. So go get your saw.
Hold that.
Yes, boss.
Go.
Keep going. Okay, there. And pull up and tell me when you see 120. You've got to read upside down now.
120.
Get it to the side a bit. I'm going to keep it in that slot.
Yeah.
Nice long strokes. So go all. Keep this bit in here and go all the way. Keep going all the way and then all the way back. Good. Does it go out to the join? Your pencil. And you're going to mark on the end. So now you need to cut that one like this one. And the work. That's it. I'll cut that with the electric saw.
No, with mine.
It'll take you about an hour with your one. Okay, that's silent for that. That's good. And that's down that on there. Yeah. That's it. Tape measure, you need to measure from the table up to the top of here. Push that right to the bottom. We're measuring right on there, so hold it nice and straight.
50.
50. Don't just read the red, you've got to, that's the nearest the red one, but then look up here. So what does that say?
2.
So 52.
7, 8, 9.
Go on. Now go. Faith, what are you wearing? What is that? A unicorn bunny? Right, so you wanted a blackboard in the middle. Hooks over. That's it. Yeah. I think that's probably enough for now. It's very hot.
It is time to show you our mud kitchen. So you can see our mud kitchen finished now. We are going to put some taps and water there, but that's not ready yet. Well, it does not fit on these. So Daddy made all these little hooks so we could hang them on. So I'm going to hang this one on there. And then this one, it can fit on there, and it can fit on there, but we want to put it over here. And then we cut it out to put these in. So we cut it out with a jigsaw. You can see the pen. We did that. We cut it out. And then we put this on, and then we did CHEF with the nail gun. Then we put these strong things on. Strong, they're really strong, I can't even take it off. And then we put the menu. And then we plated it with blackboard paint. So we used a special pen that doesn't come off. And we put it on the blackboard, and that says menu. So we write our menus down on here. Write our things, what we're gonna make. And then we're gonna put some water in here and then make some stuff. With our tractor, we went to the vegetable patch over there and we got the bark from the vegetable patch, and then we loaded it on the back of the tractor and take it to here, and then we did another load, and then we spread it all out so it is nice and flat.
I'd like to order a wood chip pancake, please.
Okay. Which pan do I use? Yeah, that's the pancake one. Daddy's gonna boil some hobs there, so we can't put that there. Here our dinners are served. Would you like one? Here you go. Here you go. Give me a thumbs up if you like the build. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time. Bye!